Hey guys, I'm up here on Penrith's favourite roof, PSC Energy, and I'm here for a pretty special occasion today. Today is my very first team member, Jory's 10-year work anniversary. It's been such an honour to work alongside Jory and to watch him grow over these 10 years. That means that Jory has been with me for almost a third of my life. It is crazy when you talk about it like that. We've survived COVID together, almost world wars. Jory's become a father under the PSC brand. He's taught me so much. We've put Jory through a full electrical apprenticeship as a mature age apprentice, and he is now one of our installation managers. So Jory, to you, congratulations. For those playing along at home, check out how we welcome Jory into work today. Jory, thanks so much for an incredible 10 years. Your values that you bring to the table every single day at PSC are absolutely unmeasurable and undeniably some of the strongest out of anybody that I've ever met in my life. You are an incredible father, an incredible husband, and most importantly to this business, an incredible mentor for the great apprentices that we have here that look up to you on a day-to-day basis. Thank you for such a rock solid 10 years. Looking forward to celebrating the next 10. Hopefully the Warriors can get a premiership done for you, but I wouldn't be holding your breath. One thing that I would hold your breath on is that we are going to the moon. Thanks, bro.